In London, a dramatic show of defiance from British farmers as a convoy of tractors rolled into the capital, directly challenging a police ban put in place ahead of the government's budget across the country. Under the changes, passing farmland to the next generation may become far more expensive, forcing some families to sell land just to cover the tax bill. Determined to make their voices heard, farmers traveled from across the UK, driving tractors into Westminster and Trafalgar Square, causing major traffic disruption. The police have made several arrests, but the protest pushed forward, highlighting deep frustration for the future of rural communities.